Hello friends, my name is Vijay and today's video we will learn what are the forms in HTML and how they work. So let's see what are the forms. HTML form is a section of a web page which contains some controls like text fields, email IDs, password fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, submit buttons and many more other controls. Form defined by the form tag. Why we use forms? So HTML form provides the facility to collect the user data and send this data to the server for processing, such as username, email ID, password, phone numbers and other information. So let's see some live example of the forms on website. Here we have a website facebook.com. We are using this website name just for the reference. So have a look. We have two forms on this web page. First is a login form and second is sign up form. So when you fill your information into the sign up form like first name, last name and mobile number or email address. I'm giving the email ID here and re-enter the email ID and give some password. So here I'm filling some data as for dummy purpose because I have already created the account with this email ID. So when you fill all the information into the forms and when you submit this form by click on this button, this information goes to the server and server save this information into the database. So now you have registered on this website. So next time when you come for the login, you fill your required information like email ID and password and submit the button. So when you submit this form, this information goes to the server and server compare this information with your saved information. If server found both the informations are same, then server give you permission to access another web pages of this website. So friends, you have seen how the forms work on the web page. So in next video, we will see some attributes which are used with the form tag. So see you in next video.